Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be checking out the brand new forged Ember Ridge wallet. Now, I've been wanting a Ridge wallet for a long time now, and I just could never figure out exactly which design that I wanted to go with. And then those targeted ads hit me on Instagram, and I saw the forged Ember colorway. I'm a huge fan of red and black together, and personally, red is my favorite color, so when I saw this wallet, it really stuck out to me. Those damn targeted ads on Instagram made me buy this thing. It was like 205 Canadian dollars. It was not cheap, but I know this is going to be a really high quality wallet, and I'm really curious to see what makes this thing so premium. So I've got the box right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here is the front of the box. We've got the Ridge logo right here. The wallet redefined. Carry less, live more. The Ridge wallet is designed to streamline how you carry and organize your cards and cash. Now, some other cool features that this wallet has on top of looking awesome is it can actually hold up to 12 different cards. It's got RFID protection, a modular design because you can buy different add-ons to put with this thing, and this thing's got a lifetime warranty, so that's always a great thing. Alright, I got my knife here. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm really excited to see what this thing is going to look like in person because just in the photos I was blown away. Here we go. Carry less, live more. Oh yeah, here we go. So we've got a little Ridge sticker here. I don't know if I'm really going to use this thing or not. So let's put that aside, and oh my god, that looks awesome. Just look at that. The red fragments in the wallet, that looks insane. The quality on this feels really good as well. It feels really premium, really durable. So there's the front and there's the back. It looks like I actually got a cash strap with it. I didn't even know it came with this thing because it wasn't an option. But hey, I guess I do have a cash strap, even though I'm probably never going to use it. I guess it's nice that it is there, and especially because it's really low profile. Like, you can barely even see it. It actually doesn't add a lot to the wallet. I thought it was going to extend quite a bit, but you can see it barely affects the wallet's width at all. So that's actually pretty surprising. But right off the bat, I gotta say, this is definitely the most premium wallet I've ever seen. I really like the design. Like, the little red fragments looks really good. I wanted something where the red was going to be kind of subtle, and this definitely does the trick. We've got minimal Ridge branding on the top right there, and here's a little demo card. So it says push up, and then you can just grab the card right out of the wallet, and then to put it back in, the little elastics on the sides here, they just come apart. You just toss the wallet in there, and then it closes up nice and tight. And just like the packaging said, it can fit up to 12 different cards. And inside here, you can see the RFID blocking material. It's on both sides here, as you can see. But anyways, let's check out what else comes in the package here. So the one I got actually comes with both the cash strap and the money clip. So right here is the money clip itself. So it's essentially almost the same thing. So if you guys end up purchasing this one, you will get both the cash strap and the money clip. I don't know which one I'm going to be using because, like I said, I don't really ever carry cash, but I guess I'll just play around with both and see which one I like more, or I'll just take them both off entirely and just not use anything. I guess we'll just have to wait and see, but let's continue on with what's in the box here. So we've got a little screwdriver, and this is of course for the screws on the wallet itself. So whenever you want to change something, all you gotta do is just grab the screwdriver, unscrew it, and then you can swap out the money clip or the cash strap, whatever you want. And then we've also got some additional screws just in case maybe one gets scuffed or you lose one, or in case of an emergency, as you can see clearly written right here. But yeah, that's everything that comes inside of the box. I'm really impressed with the build quality. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so here it is with 12 cards inside. It definitely makes it a bit more bulky, but I would say it's still not like horribly thick. Personally, I never like to carry this many cards on me anyways. I normally try to keep it around maybe 6 or 7 cards, and then the rest of my cards I'll just put digitally on my wallet app. But here's an example of what 12 cards inside of the Ridge wallet looks like. I would say there's about 1 inch of thickness, and then on the back here I've got the cash strap. So how it works is you just put the cash right behind this, and then whenever you want to use the cash, you just grab it right out, super easy. And then if you want to put it back in, you just toss it in and it'll just hold it right into place. Really simple design, and once again, I just like how low profile it is. Let's go ahead and try the money clip now. Alright, so here it is. So it's basically just a clip that goes underneath the little plate right here, and then when you put the screws on, it tightens this plate in, and once the plate is tucked in under here and the screws are on tightly, it's very hard to get out. But anyways, the money clip is pretty nice because it just tucks right into the clip here, and then if you want to grab the cash, you just yank it right out, and then if you want to put it back, you just tuck it right in. Personally, I think I like the money clip a little bit more than the cash strap, just because the cash strap, you have to actually like pull it, tuck it in, versus this one you just slide it. It just seems a little bit easier and a little bit quicker, but I would say both are decent. I just prefer this one. And you can also see I reduced the amount of cards in the wallet itself, and I think it looks a lot better when there's less cards in here. I've got 5 in here right now, plus the money clip, and it does not look bulky at all. So guys, that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Forged Ember Ridge wallet. I really like it. The build quality and everything is fantastic, plus the cash strap and money clip is actually really nice. After testing it out for a little bit, I'm probably going to leave the money clip on, and I know I've said this already, but I really love the design that they went with. Plus it's going to match my Orbit key organizer really well, so my keys and wallet are going to look pretty uniform right now, black with bits of red. So overall, I would say I'm pretty happy with the purchase, although I do think it's a little bit overpriced. I think if they reduced this by about $50 or $60, it would be a little bit more fairly priced, because 205 Canadian dollars is a lot for some carbon fiber with an elastic. Yes, it looks cool and everything, it's got RFID protection and all of that, but it's still a lot of money for something like this, because there's a lot of other wallets on the market that are a lot cheaper. Now granted, this is one of the nicest ones out there, but there's definitely a fine line of what's considered worth it and what's considered slightly overpriced, which I think this one is. Now if you have the money and just really want a Ridge wallet, definitely get one. Like I said during the unboxing, it is the nicest wallet I've personally ever seen, and this is definitely a huge upgrade to my EDC. My old wallet was the Phantom wallet here. Now this one, the only advantage I would say it really has over the Ridge one is that it's got this little clip here that you just go like this and all of the cards pop out. Now if the Ridge wallet could integrate this into their design, that would be something just crazy, and I think it would be the best minimalistic wallet on the market for sure if they did that. So fingers crossed that their wallets that they make in the future do have that. But for right now, I'm pretty satisfied with this wallet right here, and I just can't wait to start using it. Plus I just can't wait to take it out of my pocket and just look at it for a quick second before I take whatever card I need out, because this thing is gorgeous. Like, the finish is just so nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Leave a comment down below of what you guys thought about the Forged Ember Ridge wallet. Do you think it's overpriced? Do you think it's fairly priced? Or do you think it needs to be priced higher? Let me know down below. And there's one other type of person that I've totally forgot to address in this video, and that's the person who's still using the old leather wallet that's kind of beat up and it's really bulky. This is the future, and if you're thinking about getting a new minimalistic wallet that's got metal, RFID, all the good stuff, I can definitely recommend this one. And if you guys do want to pick one up, I'll leave a link down below linking to Amazon. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more content just like this one, make sure you like and subscribe. For now, that's it from me. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.